Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out special offers on the Kuwait Airways application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button in the right side corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on Special Offers in the right side, and then you will be directed to a page where you can check out the special offers. Here you have a bunch of recommendations. So if you are interested in any of these, just tap on the Book Now button and then you will be able to check out the details. Here you can select the type of trip, round trip, one-way, multi-city, select your origin and your destination is set. Then you should add your departure return date, the number of passengers and the class, and click on the search button to find out more about the availability. So the available offers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.